My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite their business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.
Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video, I got my buddy Mason with me.
Всем привет! Я хочу пить водку сейчас. Live from Windsor, Ontario.
While we were inside eating, beautiful dog inside was enjoying the nice warm air. And now, water started leaking. So there's always something interesting in this. Mason, take a look at the little small holes. See if it's that one, see if it's loose.
Yes, it is this one.
So it is loose, okay.
Yes, it is
That
loose.
same one, clamp broke on me in the mountains, and all my water came out right as I was driving.
Wow.
Immediately cooled my van down because, you know, water pump is not spinning with water. But the bolt is on this side, Mason, right in between the two hoses. So, did you feel it? Is it loose or something?
I didn't, but
So
it has to be.
between that pipe and that one. There's that screw.
You know what?
It's right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the heat shield out, but
You don't have to, Mason. You could reach it like this. But usually that's the one that starts leaking. That's happened to me before. Sometimes they leak. Sometimes they extra clamps they break. So make sure you guys have extra clamps with you, of various sizes, because you just don't know. Your fuel clamps could also they open up sometimes underneath there, and your fuel could actually come out. Mason, do you see it?
I see it.
You can see that bolt. It's
Yeah, I'm gonna move this.
not a lot of space, but
No, I'll move the resonator's hose in the
Okay.
front. The hose out of the front of the resonator. Just move this out of the way.
it's a good thing Mason is prepared. He's got all the tools. It's a
Yeah.
shop on wheels, basically.
Shop on wheels.
There's no need to be discouraged, right? It's like this stuff
No,
happens
it's
to
just
every
things
single
happen.
vehicle.
I carry OEM antifreeze with me
Yes.
anyway, just
Yeah.
in case. But
I mean,
know what they
this
say.
is life. You can't get mad at the vehicle that stuff is happening because it's normal. It's a radiator hose. A clamp goes bad on every vehicle.
and guess what? I'll drive it until the wheels come off this van, like that one
Yeah,
guy
I
that
like that.
commented.
I like that.
Wheels don't come off a van. Oh, if anything, good luck getting them off the van. They seize. on
Yeah,
the
they
van.
seize. Is it pretty bad here in Canada trying to
Yes,
remove the
especially
lug
in the
nuts?
springtime.
So they really seize in there.
After a snowy, salty winter.
I think the bolts, because they shrink and expand, like with all this.
Not only that, but the actual steel rims
Yes.
will stick to the rotors.
Oh,
So what I do,
wow.
Mine
stick before.
Yeah, come fall, when I'm ready to swap my tires, I have separate sets of tires.
Yes.
I have summer set and winter set. Right now, I'm wearing the winter set. So when I
Yes.
take the summer set off, I clean the rotors and I put anti-seize.
Mason, you have a separate tires and wheels.
Yeah.
You don't have
I
to remove this.
Steel wheels.
You have
OEM
four steel wheels.
Yep. And I have
That is smart.
Aluminium.
Aluminium.
I call it, not aluminum.
Oh yeah. Oh, you have the aluminum for the summer.
I have aluminium.
Aluminium.
OEM.
Okay.
Set,
I know I've seen those. So you
With,
keep steel for the winter.
with
Smart.
Somerset tires. Yes.
Yeah. So you're removing the turbo hose, or you already
I
got
did.
it?
I had to. Yeah. So it's okay now.
Yeah, now you could see it.
Now it's very, very tight.
It is. So, did you tighten it or was it loose?
It was not horribly loose, but it's already it's
It
as
was
tight
enough
as it
for
can be now.
Also check the little one. You see that little one right there?
Right one here. Yeah.
No, this little one.
Yes. I'll check that one too.
Yeah, check
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
little one.
Yeah. This
Just
one.
in case, because you just don't know which one of those could be.
Yeah. Although I'm pretty sure I've tightened that in the past, but it doesn't hurt to.
Now that you're down there, because you have the turbo thing off.
Yeah. You know what? Those are little tiny screwdrivers.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna
very
check
hot.
your water. So guys, when you actually open this up, you want to make sure you kind of release the pressure. Like that. Just be very careful because you could burn yourself. So there's still plenty of water. So it's just a leaking a little bit. Just needs a little bit tight because there's actually water in there. You can clearly see. So Mason, you're doing good on water.
Oh yeah, I have.
It's a very
like I
tiny
said,
leak.
Yeah, I have anyway.
Uh-huh.
Brand new jug. How do you like my screwdriver?
Oh, I like it.
High five.
High five.
This
Harbor
is
tools?
a serious screwdriver. It's probably about 18 inch long.
Yeah,
Yep. 12 inch that with the handle.
that's
Maybe
perfect.
16, but you know what? I carry that. It does the job. It is my arm where I can't reach.
Oh yeah, and how's your windshield wipers? They're not even loose. They're not shaking.
No.
This is still gonna last you a long time.
Oh, you know
These
what?
things.
I just replaced this last
The
week.
arms, but this is not shaking. The actual
No,
parts.
no, this was broken.
Yeah,
I replaced it.
it breaks it right there.
Yes.
behind the
This-
plastic, of course.
The driver's side broke about 4 times in 12 years.
Mine, this arm broke. The
Yeah, I
plastic
replaced
one.
that. Yeah, the transmission.
Yeah, just replaced that
Yeah.
like a month ago.
Right.
My last spare, I don't have a spare anymore.
Wow.
So all my
remember
vans,
when you were
I've
in
removed them.
Yeah, and we were somewhere out of town driving
Uh-huh.
a big delivery. Yeah,
So I know it's still dripping.
it's just.
I wonder if that's maybe like in the bumper,
Yeah, it's in the bumper. We'll
because
start up the van. We'll see what happens.
so I'm gonna. Yeah, there was a lot on the bumper, so I just released everything that was in the bumper.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's still a little bit left in the bumper. The only thing I wonder is, could it be anything else?
No, I think you nailed it. It's the clamp of that hose.
So it was definitely loose, right?
It was definitely loose. Yes.
Okay.
Vibration,
Yes, of course.
wear and tear.
It's good that I had an extra clamp when that thing my clamp just broke.
Wow.
Yeah, it broke where the bolts they put it together. You know, it slipped. So that always happens. So I guess we just need to start.
All right. There's only one way to find out.
Uh-huh.
The repair was. Let's get it going.
Mason, unfortunately, it's leaking more.
No.
Yeah,
Well, let's find out.
yeah, it's So yeah, well, you need to, I guess, look at where it's coming from, because maybe you have a bad pipe, maybe it's cracked. Maybe it's some other connection where it comes to. Because at the pace that it's leaking, it's definitely a problem somewhere.
No, it's okay.
Okay,
It's not leaking.
okay.
This is just residual water. Definitely not leaking.
You cannot tell when you're leaking from here, that's for sure.
Give me the camera, I'll show you. Well, this is clamp right here. The way to get at it is from the top, under the turbo heat shield. I tighten it with my big long screwdriver, and it's holding. This is just water dripping from the bumper. It's just sitting here on top of the bumper, but nothing up. Successful field repair. No
Okay.
problem.
No, Mason, you still got water leakage.
Ah, this is from the bumper, believe me.
No, I see. No, it is in the bumper. You're absolutely right.
It is in the bumper.
It is in the bumper, and
It's
actually,
not from the top. No.
exactly. And I actually see where it's coming from. But it's something dripping on top. It's dripping on top of the bumper. I see where it's dripping inside. I don't know why my
The
camera.
hose?
Come over here, take a look, Mason. You'll see
Okay.
my camera's not picking up. Right through there, you see where it's look higher, Mason. Look through there. You will see that.
This?
No. Look in the bumper. Look like you're looking where the water's coming from.
Yeah.
Water's dripping from top into the bumper right now,
Oh,
as we're
okay,
speaking.
okay.
So it's coming from somewhere.
Okay, I know where.
Maybe
Where now?
you know where?
The other hose. This other hose on the right.
So the one that's actually connected to the radiator. Yeah, this one easy to reach, Mason. I hope it's not. I hope it's not ripped,
I hope so too.
but it's easier to reach this one. It is loose? Okay, that is a good sign. I could already tell that it seems like water is slowing down.
Я хочу пить водку сейчас. Я хочу
My-
пить водку сейчас.
My buddy Mason, guys. Meeting here in Canada. Lovely weather in Canada today. Mason, what's the temperature here right now?
Right now it's
freezing my fingers
mild,
off.
maybe -5, but
-5, yeah?
it's tropics for us. Wait until the afternoon. It's gonna go even further down, maybe -12. Yeah, this is
Yeah.
this is shorts weather.
Uh,
This is a good brand.
good brand.
Zabruga. Has a grain of grass in there.
Grain of grass.
Yeah, that's why it gives it the green color. It's right there.
Uh-huh.
A little bit hard to see with the
Yes,
lens.
you could tell. You
See
could
that?
tell.
Yeah.
Ah,
That's how I relieve my stress at nighttime.
yes. Mason, I don't know what to tell you, but the problem is still here. It shouldn't be leaking.
That's okay.
You'll be able to get home, but Mason, I think you got a hose leak.
Problem. Da.
It's probably time to replace the hose.
Da.
Man,
problem.
I hope it doesn't come up on you. If it does, you could cut the hose down a little bit if it's ripped, and then fit it on there.
It's so cold on the highway anyway. We don't even need radiator. Oh yeah, antifreeze.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's leaking at the same pace. This is unfortunate. I really wish that it would have been okay. Man. It's not leaking fast. Maybe when you're driving, it's actually gonna.
That'll be fine.
It should not leak.
Get home.
But Mason, do monitor your temperature gauge,
Yes, thank
because if it starts blowing cold air, you know you lost.
you. Yes.
You lost. You lost. Yeah, antifreeze for sure. It's a good thing you have spare. Do you have any extra water with you? Any gallons? I could give you some. I have fresh
it's
water.
okay. That's okay. Antifreeze is fine.
Okay.
I have to pull over in a gas station.
Because what if you completely run out of water?
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Okay.
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
Just another day in the office.
It wasn't leaking earlier. This has just started. So you seen it was leaking there?
Yeah, it was.
Okay.
Yeah, when I was waiting. So.
But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me. And Mason, thank you for being with me.
You're welcome.
It's a very big pleasure to meet you.
Same here, and thank you for lunch.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You deserve it. For sure. Okay, guys. Bye-bye.